case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In United States v. Pablo, a case heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the 10th Circuit in 2010, the validity of expert testimony based on otherwise inadmissible facts was scrutinized for potential violation of a defendant's confrontation clause rights. Jonathan Pablo, convicted of vaginal rape, kidnapping, assault leading to serious injury and carjacking, claimed that his rights were violated when the DNA and serology reports were used against him without the accompanying testimony from the lab analysts who prepared them. Furthering the complexity of the case, Pablo also alleged that his right to mount a defense was hindered by the prosecutor and the district court, who he claimed dissuaded two key defense witnesses from testifying. He called into question whether certain pieces of evidence were unfairly excluded during his trial. Pablo's appeal sought to address the constitutionality of the expert witness testimony, question whether he was unfairly deprived of his right to present a defense, and contest the validity of the evidence exclusion. The court, however, upheld the district court's decision to exclude certain evidence in line with Rule 412 of the Federal Rules of Evidence. This rule essentially restricts the admissibility of evidence pertaining to a victim's past sexual behavior or predisposition in criminal sexual misconduct cases. Pablo argued that certain aspects of his case should have been considered as exceptions to this rule, but his arguments were ultimately rejected by the court. This ruling confirmed Pablo's convictions, highlighting the severe injuries the victim, identified as LRH, had sustained. These injuries, the court noted, were consistent with forcible penetration and could have been inflicted by either Pablo, his co-defendant, or both. As such, the failure to include certain evidence was determined not to have had a significant impact on the jury's decision, leading to the dismissal of Pablo's appeal.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.